Hey everyone! Today, I want to let you in on a secret. You've got a superpower in your pocket. Yep, I'm talking about your cell phone. But here's the twist. Using your phone wisely is what truly makes you a superhero at Brite Star School. Phones are fun. You can play games, watch videos, chat with friends, and explore all kinds of cool stuff. But phones also come with a lot of responsibility. Captain Star says, you control your phone, it doesn't control you. And that's what makes you powerful. So what does it really mean to use your phone like a superpower? It's all about awareness, kindness, and making smart choices. Let me share 5 awesome ways you can practice your phone awareness superpower every single day. First, don't use your phone during class or meals. When you put your phone away, you're telling people, you matter to me. You're paying attention and showing respect. That's a real superhero move. Second, look people in the eye, not at your screen. When your eyes meet, you're saying, I see you, and that helps friends, parents, and teachers feel special. Your phone can wait, but people need you now. Third, always ask permission before taking photos. It's important to respect everyone's privacy. Just because you can snap a picture doesn't mean you should. Superheroes always think before they act. Fourth, never post or text something that could hurt someone. Words can be powerful, so use your phone to spread kindness, not hurt feelings. Before you send anything, ask yourself, would this make someone feel good? And finally, number 5, take screen breaks to stay healthy and present. Too much screen time can make anyone tired or grumpy. Stand up, stretch, play outside, or just hang out with your family. Superheroes need their energy. So next time you're on your screen, I want you to pause and ask yourself, is this helping me connect or making me disconnect? Remember, being smart with tech is a real-world superpower. You're in charge, not your phone. Thanks for joining me for this Brite Star awareness lesson. Come back soon for more learned superpowers, because every day you're getting stronger, kinder, and even more awesome. Stay bright, Brite Stars.
Thanks for visiting the magical world of Brite Star. We're always here and always excited to have you come back and see us again. Make sure you visit us at britestarworld.com for more enchanting books and videos. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep shining bright.